Senator Bongo. I am not into politicking, but let me just state for the record, and in no uncertain terms, that ang kandidato ko pagka-presidente ay si Bongo. You know, Bongo has been my aide for 23 years. Ang istorya nito, nagtatagalog ako, but you'll just have to give me the allowance. Hindi naman ako masyado marunong magsalita ng Tagalog. Ito si Bongo, bata pa noon, younger than usual. Naglalaro sila ng basketball. Ang aide ko talaga was a military guy, PC, tapos naging sa National Police. Naglalaro sila ni Bong ng basketball. Tapos pag siya nagpasa sa si Bato ba yun? Pinasa ni Bato ang bola doon sa security ko, si Jimboy Halili. Nung sinalo, natumba. Tapos dead on this one. Collapse, patay. So wala akong aid noon. Kabarkada sila sa basketball. But Bong is a graduate sa LaSalle. Hindi na akala kasi nila pitsugin lang na tao, aid. They were not able really to correct Bong's talent, actually. You know, one thing ang sabi ko sa inyo, itong Bong na ito, magkwenta ng whatever, magkwenta ng pera o percentage or gagamitin lang ito. Hindi ito nagsusulat. Ganon kahusay ito sa bright, tapos always wala anong buhay niya, basketball. He offered to be the temporary AD camp. Tapos, that was many years ago. Kaya hanggang naging permanente siya, Chief of Staff of the office, and became a senator. So yan ang istorya ni Bongo.